Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete all your saved items and collections on Google search. So let's get started. First of all, go to Google search. After that, tap the Google icon in the top left corner. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Saves and Collections. Here you will see all your saved items organized into different collections. Open any collection to view everything you have saved. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on Select. Now if you want to delete all your saved items, tap the check mark icon to select everything. After that, tap on Delete icon at the top right corner. Then tap on Remove to confirm. And that's it. Now all of your saved items have been removed from your Google search collections. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.